Hello and welcome to The Chosen Few, the one and only place for you. My name is Isabelle Santine, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with installing and using Save version 1 from Chosen Few software. So basically, what this tutorial already assumes is that you've subscribed to the Chosen Few software Patreon account at the Supporter Plus tier. It's only $10 a month, link in the description. And that you've found the Chosen Few software website in your preferred browser. So once you have all that up, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do once you've reached the Chosen Few software website, before you're able to access the download for Save, is that you want to log in with your Patreon account on the website. So you can do that by finding the login button on the top right corner. Click that. And assuming that you're already logged in on the Patreon site, all you should have to do is say allow, and you're all set. And it should show you which tier you're supporting at up here. So the next thing you want to do is find the Save product page. So go to Products and then Save, and then scroll all the way down, and you'll find the download here. And of course, Save is for Windows only, or I should specify Save version 1.0. The next version will, of course, be available on all desktop platforms. So click on that link to download it. And there we go. So then what you're going to do is you're going to open up that zip file, and you're going to extract it. But make sure to extract it to your Documents folder under something like documents/save.core.main tool, and then whatever version. Just whatever is the default here. Just change downloads to documents. So then you can click extract, and you're all ready to go. So you can't open the application right away here because that's not going to work. So if you are using Windows 10 for the rest of this tutorial to work for you, you need to make sure to find the Windows terminal on the Microsoft Store app. I'll leave a link to it in the description, and all you're going to do is click the Get button. So once you have the Windows terminal installed, you can proceed with the rest of the tutorial as normal and as shown in this video. Okay, so the next step here is going to be finding your license key. So to do that, go back to the browser and go to the home page. Then find My CFS Benefits. And here you'll find your license key, as well as a list of applications that the license key is valid for. Just hit the copy button here, and you're all set to go. So go back to the folder where you extracted Save, then right-click on any blank space in the window, then click this Open in Terminal button. And basically what you want to type here is the following command. So you're going to type /save and then hit the tab key. That's going to autofill the file name of the executable. Then press the spacebar once and press the Shift and Insert key as a combination. That's going to insert the license key. Now all you have to do is hit Enter. And if you get this error, there is a workaround for it. And I'll copy and paste the command for this in the description of this video. But you can also find it on the documentation website, which I will also link. So once you've copied that command, just do Shift Insert again to paste it, and then hit Enter. That will create a directory that's normally missing if you're just starting up with Save. And then try to run this previous command again. So if you receive this error, it's normal, completely normal, and you don't need to worry about it because we're going to fix it in the next step. But before you do that, all you have to do is go to this arrow icon here at the top, and then go to Settings. Next, find where it says under Profiles, Windows PowerShell. After that, go to this Starting Directory dropdown and make sure to click the checkbox so that it says Use Parent Process Directory. Now hit Save, and then go back to the PowerShell tab. Paste the next command, which should say Start Process WT Verb Run As, and then hit Enter. This will launch an administrator PowerShell prompt in the same directory as we were just now, which is extremely important for the next command, which will automatically download ffmpeg. ffmpeg is an open source tool that allows Save to create media files very easily without writing a ton of extra code. So thank you to the ffmpeg authors for being fantastic and making your tool open source for everyone to use. Now, type the following command: Set-ExecutionPolicy space RemoteSigned. Now hit Enter, and that should do it. Now, all you have to do is type /G and then tab, and then hit Enter. If you still get an error trying to run this script, go back to the folder where you have saved, right-click on get-ffmpeg, go to Show More Options, and then go to Properties. Make sure to check this unblock box, and then click Apply. Now hit OK, and try the command again. If you get this red text here, that's perfectly normal as long as you see this writing web request up here. That means that it's downloading the ffmpeg binaries properly. Okay, perfect. So now we have ffmpeg downloaded just fine, and it should be in this runtimes folder within a bunch of other folders. If you don't see this runtimes folder, make sure to, or if the files aren't in it, make sure to delete it and try this script again. As always, you can find the support channel through your Patreon subscription on Discord. As one final step to double check your work though, you can type the following command. Type safe.core.maintool.exe-h. And there we go. The tool is licensed and ready to use. In the next tutorial video, you can find out how to use the Vidicon tube emulator filter. And the tutorial video after that, you can find out how to use the NTSC modem. Thanks for watching!